Yo! What is up, Christ and Crass family? It's 2026 and we haven't done a showcase in a long time. So in today's video, we're gonna be going through some of the things that I've created recently through my new projects, and we're just gonna look at them. Now, a lot of these projects don't have tutorials yet, but they have videos that I will be putting up soon, so make sure that you are keeping an eye out for that. And let's get into the video. We'll start off easy. I made a little pipe cleaner pumpkin. I don't typically do a lot of foods or vegetables or fruits or anything like that, so I decided to go a little bit out of my comfort zone. This one I do have a tutorial for, and it's actually pretty easy. It's just a bunch of circles together, bound it together, and then you put this at the top. Next we got Pipecleaner Raccoon. This probably is not some of the best of my work, but my friend requested it, so of course I had to do it. It's got the little raccoon tail that's movable, and it has those facial features that are recognizable. I would rate that one at about a medium in terms of difficulty, but let's keep it going. Next, we have this pipe cleaner cat. This one is actually one of my more simple ones, but I decided to do a little bit more detail on the eyes and on the face structure. It's got that usual arch for the cat's tail. And if you don't know, when a cat has its tail up, it means that it's happy. But yeah, it's got its little paws there and then some white underbelly. Next, I actually made this one today, a pipe cleaner penguin. If you're not on TikTok, there's just a huge edit about a penguin going on that went viral, so I decided to make a little penguin. He has the orange feet with the white lining his fins, and then he has eyes and a bill. And of course, a little tail. I don't think I actually did a video on this one, so this is Goku. Now, of course, this isn't like the main version. This is just like a cartoon version of Goku. But he has his hair, he has the little bracelets on his arms, and then I even made his gi, which is what martial artists wear. I gave him his gi some battle damage, and then he has his little belt there. We got 3 more to go. Next up, we have this little Robo Repo guy. If you didn't know, there's actually a video game about this, and I love it, so I decided to make a little character out of him. He's got the eyes, and his mouth can move like this, and his legs actually move too. So that's him. Second to last, I know everyone's been waiting to see this one. This is my pipe cleaner Toothless. He's got wings here that move. He's got posable arms and legs, or I guess they're both legs. And of course, you know I had to make him with that red tail. He has a saddle that goes from his chest and his back all the way to his tail. And of course, I had to make a little hiccup that's riding on him. Also, his mouth opens and closes. Now, this one I would definitely say is on the more difficult side, but I broke that one up into parts, so it'll be easier to do a tutorial for that one. And last but not least, we have my new avatar character, Jake Sully. He has his little bands, and I gave him some design for his arms. Now, this guy I actually spent a little bit more time on, especially for the muscle here, so that it would look more realistic. He has his legs here with a little anklet, and then he has the little cloth going over him. He has a tail in the back. And then this is his hair. There's a couple tendrils coming out of it, and then some going on the side. And if you actually move that out of the way, he has some back muscles and a little place to put his spear. The hair is also posable, so if you wanted it in the front, you could have it that way. But if you also wanted it all in the back, you could do that too. I also made him this little spear here, and you can see the details for the face. He even has a nose, he has a smile, he has some cheekbones, and he also has this little chest satchel on him. And that's the lineup for 2026 so far. Thank you guys for everyone who's watching to the end. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out!